see the highway. I see that, but it's pretty nasty down there. Spray down there and keep it clean. Yeah, see, that's real murky. Let me make sure it's clean. I don't need it getting cloudy, and it's real moist down there. The drain plug definitely shouldn't look like this. Look at that. The mud caked up in that thing. That's why the battery was getting wet. That's probably why the battery's no good. Oh, this right here, not cool. You guys, look at this. Gross, right? Look at this tissue. Look how much mud was caked up in here. Look at all that. Look how much mud was caked up in the drain plug beneath the battery. Now you can see straight through it. That's how it's supposed to be. Not caked up with mud. That's gross. Alright, so we washed the drain plug out as best as I could with the little bit of water I had. It's a little still dirty right here. A little bit still dirty a little bit, I should say, but it's fine. That's just fine as long as it's not clogged anymore. Now I gotta get it back in. Let me see, without being able to straight up see down in there. Can't tell where it really fits. Hold on. Gotta put my finger, okay. We're gonna have to get that in there. Let's fit that back in there. Okay, y'all, after we get this in, then we will do our battery. Alright, trying to get it back in there without getting it dirty. Okay. It's getting it back in there perfectly. Alright, so alright, y'all, we got the battery in, and we are screwing it back on. Sorry, y'all, this is a little messy. I'm trying to show y'all. There's a new battery, it's in. So, let's get that tightened up a little bit. I'm gonna still have to get the seal for the drain. Let's see here. The tube, does this have the tube, the filter is supposed to go, this tube is supposed to plug in here, but I'm not seeing, it's not able to go there. So I'm not sure I could plug it up at the filter. This tube is to filter the gases and stuff. It's for the battery. Alright, so I was saying, I don't know if you guys was getting this clear, but you need a ratchet. You don't need a 2-foot extender. I just got a 2-foot extender, 3/8, and you need a 3/8 drive 6mm hex bit. I got a 3/8 over 3/8 yesterday. Well, 3/8 drive. It was 3/8 drive and 3/8 bit, which it was way. This part was way too big. It was too huge to fit down in there. So that's what you'll need. So it will work on most models of getting the battery out of the Audi.
Good. Bye.